Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, today we are starting new chapter number 9, and its name is percentage. So before starting the exercise work, let's understand what is percentage. So percent word is made up of two words, percent, right? Percent. And this is also known as percent means per hundred. Per hundred, or you can say out of 100, right? And its symbol is this. For example, if you have 89 marks out of 100, how your teacher indicate 89 out of 100, right? This is in the form of fraction. Now if you want to write it in the form of percent, in denominator you have 100, it means 89 is out of 100, so you can directly write it 89%. Clear? If you have 23 out of 100, then you can write it as 23%. This is in the case if denominator is 100, it means they have already given out of 100. But if we have 4 upon 5, now this is not the out of 100, denominator is not 100. In that case, to convert into the percentage, you have to multiply by 100. Clear? So two cases are there. If denominator is 100, you can directly write numerator as percent like 23%, 89%. But if denominator is not 100, to convert that into the percentage, you will multiply by 100. Right? Now let's understand by some questions. Question number 1 of exercise 9a. Name each fraction as percent. Now in the first part, denominator is 100, it means 3 is out of 100. So you can directly write 3%. Clear? In next part, 151 is out of 100. So write it as 151%. Similarly, in next part, 12.5 upon 100. So you will write it as 12.5%. Clear? If denominator is 100, you will directly write numerator as percent. Next, second part, express each of the following fraction in simplest form. Now they have given in percent. Why? Because percent sign is here. So they are asking to write as fraction. Fraction में लिखना है, and then in simplest form. So percent means out of 100. So when you will remove percent sign, जैसे ही आप percent sign को remove करेंगे, there will be 100 in denominator. Okay. Now this is in fraction. Now check, numerator and denominator both are divisible by 5. So cut them. 5 ones are 5. 1 is remaining. 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 25. 5 twos are 10. 0. Again by 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 25. 5 fours are 20. So in simplest form, this is 25 upon 4. Now this is in the improper fraction. So you can write it as mixed. So divide this 25 by 4. 4 6 are 24. Remainder is 1. So you can write it as 6 whole 1 upon 4. This is your answer. Next part, fourth part is, first of all, they have given in mixed fraction. So you will change it into the improper fraction. How do you change it? Multiply 3 by 66. 66 से 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 19. Then add the numerator. It becomes 8 plus 2, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. So this is 200. Clear? So this is in the improper fraction, 200 upon 3%. Now next step is, this is in percentage and they are asking to write in fraction. So remove percent sign and in place of percent sign write 100 in denominator. Okay. Percent का meaning यही होता है ना, out of 100. Out of 100 means 100 will be in denominator. Now solve it. Zeros to zeros cancel out. What do you have now? 2 upon 3, which is your answer. Now the next part is 18.75%. Write 18.75 as it is. Remove percent sign and put 100 in denominator. Now remove this decimal and put 100 in denominator. Why? Because after decimal there were 2 digits, so there will be 100 in denominator. Now this is 1875. In denominator you have 10,000. Right? Now solve it. This and this both are divisible by 5. Cut them. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 is remaining here. 5 7s are 35. 2 is remaining here. 5 5s are 25. In denominator 5 2s are 10, 0, 0, 0. Again they are divisible by 5, so cut them. 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, 0, 0. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40, 0. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. So your answer is 3 upon 16, right? Next question, question number 3. Convert each of the following percent. Now they have given percent and they are asking to write into decimals. So 8% means 8 out of 100. So write it as fraction 8 upon 100. Now they are asking to write in decimal form. So write numerator 8. In denominator, how many zeros are there? 2. So you will put decimal before 2 digits. 1, then 2. Decimal will be here. Right? So what is your answer? Your answer is 0.08. Clear? Next, fourth part. Write 69.5. This was percent. It means out of 100. Clear? Now you are dividing by 100. 100 in denominator. Clear? According to the mnemonic Mr. DL. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में डेसिमल शिफ्ट हो जाता है टू द राइट एंड डिवीजन में डेसिमल शिफ्ट हो जाता है टू द लेफ्ट. तो कितने प्लेसेस डेसिमल शिफ्ट होगा? लेफ्ट. 2 places because in denominator you have 2 zeros. So 1, 2. Decimal will be here. So it will be 0.695 or you can write 0.695. This is your answer. Next, 3.68% means 3.68 out of 100. You already have decimal here, right? And you are dividing by 100. So according to Mr. DL, division के साथ decimal will be shifted to the left. How many places? 2 places. So decimal was here. यहाँ पर था तो यहाँ से 1 place, then 2 place. Decimal will be shifted here. Okay. So what is your answer? 0.0368. This is your answer. Similarly, in this part, 0.0208% means out of 100. So decimal will be shifted to 2 place to the left. So write here 0.208. Decimal was here, so it will be shifted to place 1, 2. Now decimal will be here. Clear? So write 0.000208. This is your answer. Next, question number 4. Express the following fractions as percent. Now students, I have explained you in the starting of this video that while converting into the percentage, if denominator is not 100, you have to multiply it by 100 to convert into the percent. Right, multiply by 100 and put percent sign because now this is in percent. Calculate it. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So this is 17 multiply 4%. Multiply it. 17 fours are 68%. This is your answer. Next part, fourth part is, this is a mixed fraction. So first of all, convert it into the improper. Convert 16 twos are 32, 32 plus 7, 39 upon 16. They are asking to convert this fraction into the percentage. So multiply by 100 and put percent sign. Now 4 fours are 16, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. So this is 39 multiply 25 upon 4%. Multiply 39 and 25. 39 and 25 को multiply करते हैं. 5 nines are 45. 5 threes are 15 plus 4 19. 2 nines are 18. 2 threes are 6 plus 1 7. Add them 5. 9 plus 8 17. 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. So this is 975 upon 4%. So divide 975 by 4. 4 twos are 8, remaining 1. Copy down the 7. 4 fours are 16, remaining 1. 4 threes are 12, remaining 3. Decimal, put 0. 4 sevens are 28, remaining 2. You already have taken decimal, so put 1 0 here. 4 fives are 20. So what is your answer? Answer is 243.75%. Next, sixth part, 2 upon 3 they have given and they are asking to convert into the percent. So multiply by 100 and put percent sign. Now 200s are 200 upon 3%. This is an improper fraction, so change it into the mixed. 3 6 are 18. Subtract 2. Copy down the next digit. 3 6 are 18. Again 2. So this is 66 whole 2 upon 3%. This is your answer. Next question number 5. Convert the following decimals into percents. What do you do to convert into the percent? If denominator is 100, you simply write numerator as percent. But if denominator is not 100, what do? You multiply by 100, then put percent sign. Okay, so similarly we will do here. If denominator is not 100 and denominator is not given, we will multiply by the 100. So multiply 0.58 by 100 and put percent sign. Clear? According to Mr. DL, when you multiply, decimal point will be shifted to right. Okay, how many places? 2 places. Decimal point will be shifted to here. Okay, why? Because 1 place, 2 place. So now this will be 58.00%. और you can simply write, आप उसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 58%. Because after percent you just have zeros, so your answer is 58%. Next part, 0.039 they have given. Denominator is nothing, so convert into the percent by multiplying with 100. Clear? You are multiplying, so decimal will be shifted to right. How many places? 2 places. So 1 place, 2 place. Decimal will be here. So this will become 3.9%. This is your answer. Next part, again 2.05 multiply 100 and then percent sign. Decimal will be shifted to right two places, 1, 2. So decimal will be here after 5. So 205 point percent. And after decimal you don't have any digit, so you will just remove it. So this is equals to 205%, which is your answer. Similarly, 0.001 they have given and they are asking to change it into the percent. So multiply by 100 and put percent sign. Now decimal will be shifted to right two places, 1, 2. So decimal will be here 0.1%, right? And before decimal you just have zeros, so if you will write single zero, this is also equals to double zero now, so this is equals to 0.1%. This is your answer. Next question number 6, find the value of first part 20%. How we can write 20%? 20% means 20 upon 100. Of means multiply. And then they have given 650. Simply calculated. This 0 to this 0 cancel out. This 0 to this 0 cancel out. Now you have to multiply 65. So multiply them. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13. So the answer is 130. Next part is 25%. 25% means 25 out of 100. It means 25 upon 100. Of means multiplication and then 1 upon 8. Now solve it. 25 and 100 both are divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 0. Again by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. So now what do you have? In numerator you have 1 multiply 1. In denominator you have 4 multiply 8. So this is 1 1s are 1. 4 8s are 32. This is your answer. Next fourth part, 4.5% means 4.5 out of 100. Multiply 60 centimeter. So write here 60 centimeter. Now first step, remove decimal. Put 1 in denominator and after decimal there was 1 digit, so put 1 0 with it. Now solve it. 0 to 0 cancel out. This 45 and this 100 both are divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10 0. 5 9s are 45. Now this 20 and this 6 both are divisible by 2. 2 10s are 20. 2 3s are 6. So what do you have now? In numerator you have 9 multiply 3 and in denominator you have just 10, which is in centimeter. 9 3s are 27 upon 10 centimeter. In denominator you have power of 10. So simply write 27. In denominator there was only 1 0. So put decimal before one digit. Right here. So this is your answer, 2.7 centimeter. Now this is in mixed fraction, fifth part. So first of all convert it into the improper. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15 upon 2% of rupees 56. In first step we just have converted mixed fraction into the improper. Now solve it. 15 upon 2 means 15 upon 2 out of 100. So when you will remove percent sign, you will write 100 in denominator. Clear? Of means multiplication. Rupees 56. Now solve it. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. Clear? Now this and this both are divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 0. Again by 2, 2 10s are 20, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So now in numerator you have 3 multiply 14 in rupees and in denominator 10. So 14 3s are 42 rupees upon 10. In denominator you have power of 10. Okay, 1 0 is there, so you will put decimal before one digit, and this is in rupees. This is your answer. Next part, sixth part, 60% means 60 out of 100. Of means multiply 1 year. Okay, now you know that 1 year is equals to 1 year किसके इक्वल होता है? 1 year is equals to 365 days. So put it here, 60 upon 100 multiply, in place of 1 year we will write here 365 days. Now solve it. 0 to 0 cancel out. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now by 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15. Clear? What do you have now? 3 multiply 73 days, and in denominator you just have 1, so no need to write it. 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, so 219 days. This is your answer. So students, today in this video we have discussed from question number 1 to question number 6 of exercise 9th A. In next class we will start with the question number 7. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.